It takes 5 months of work in order to gain 1 month of salary. Is this true? Is this not true? Is this applicable to your own life? Let me take you through it and see if you're one of these victims who have not been taught this really important rule when it comes to personal finance literacy. My team and I made this post. I will share it with you all now. We posted on our Discord server. We run this Discord server for fun in our free time. Our main priority is in our work. So it's been the end of a good week, and before I head to Muay Thai, I just figured I'd record this quick video and share the post that we posted on the Discord server. I'll put the Discord server link in the description below. But let me take you through it and explain exactly what I meant by 5 months of work equates to 1 month's salary. All right, why gaining back is harder than losing. There's this formula that is used in finance, which basically goes into detail the percentage gain required after a loss. And in my write-up on the Discord server, again, which will be provided below in the description, I go into detail of an example where if you're somebody earning $5,000 a month, for example, we're going to use nice round numbers here, $5,000 a month, but you spend 4,000 of those dollars. You don't budget, you don't understand the basics of saving, where to spend your money, where not to spend your money. You spend $4,000 of those $5,000. You haven't just lost 80% value in your salary. What that actually means is you're left with 1,000, so you're only left with 20%. And you have to make 400% on that $1,000 in order to get back to $5,000. So the table that I shared on slide 2, you can have a read through it in your own time and more carefully, more slowly. You lose 80% of your salary because you spend your money on bullshit. You got to gain 400% back to get to where you were, to get to that $5,000 salary which you originally earned. So depending on how much you're spending each month, it could take a factor of 2, 3, 6, 8, and worst case scenarios, it can be in those double digits of months. You'd be shocked with how many people waste their money on silly things, really, on bullshit. For men, we waste most of our money. Let's say, gadgets, buying the top 3 things that men waste their money on is things like gadgets, sports and leisure, cars and automobiles. I'm reading here in this article. For women, fashion, apparel, beauty products, dining and socializing. Look, the point being, and I highlight this in the post in the server, don't treat yourself like a slave. We all have needs. I understand these are just raw numbers and we all have rents to pay, mortgages to pay. We need to put food on the table. We need to enjoy life a little bit as well. But find a limit. You need to start putting a name to every dollar. That gives it meaning. When we give a name to somebody, when we name a child, it gives that soul, that entity, some meaning, right? You want to be doing the same with each dollar. You want to be putting each dollar toward a purpose. So set aside money that you want to spend for leisure. It can't just be work and robotic operating in the city each and every day. You got to also enjoy life. So set aside money for leisure, but also just be really attentive of the fact that the more money you spend every month, the longer it takes to gain back that amount. I'm just going to keep it short and simple. There's no need to waffle on about this too much. If you want to read in more detail, you can go ahead and click that link in the description. We're not selling courses or anything. We're just a bunch of young guys, and we're passionate. We're passionate about helping young people get better at life and, not having to suffer month on month. Cool. If you found value in this content, you know what to do. I'm not going to force you to do anything, but more content of this nature is going to be posted. I'm going to be more consistent now that my desk is set up. I've got a microphone so my voice can be projected more clearly. And yeah, lacquer people, you have a good one. Have a good weekend ahead. And keep at it. Keep at the grind.